Hello everyone. Today I painted several tulips on the right side of the tree. I was also able to paint the background, and I painted a bird today. Isn't he cute? My husband suggested that I add the sign, and I think it's very cute. It goes with him. I still have to do the left side of the garage. And then the right side. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. It's been very fun and tiring. Some days I don't have that many hours to work on it, but it's worth it. So here's my little bird again. He's my highlight of my painting today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Thank you.